Okay, now next topic is the selection sort. Sorting techniques lo this is one of the technique to sort the elements in an array, that is arranges in an order, either descending order or the ascending order. Okay, now let us take the example. Here selection sort, the mean itself defines selecting the minimum element and placing it into the respective place. Selecting the minimum element or maximum element, selecting the minimum element from the data and placing it in a order, first to last. If it selects the maximum element, it is in descending order. If it selects the minimum element, it becomes the ascending order. Okay, that is based on the selection of an either minimum element or maximum element. So that is the selection sort. Let us take the example 5, 6, 9, 2, 3, 8, 4. This is a array which contains a set of values, integer values. Now from this list, from this data, now select the minimum element. How we select the minimum element? Select the minimum value. How we select the minimum value? We don't know. So first assume that this is the minimum value. So this is an array contains a set of values. Assume that the 5 is the minimum value. Okay, now min equals to 5. Now let us check whether the minimum value will found or not in this array. Let us check. So how we check? If condition, if minimum greater than a of I. So I is the index from starting position to the last. Okay, from it starts from starts to the end. Okay, now let the index be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the index, 7 elements. Okay, now minimum value 5 is the minimum value. Now let us check. How we check? With the second element, whether 5 is minimum or not, we will compare with the other elements in the array. Now let us compare. Okay, now compare 5 with 6. Okay, it is false. 5 greater than 6, it is false. Now compare 5 greater than 9, it is also false. Now compare 5 greater than 2, true. So we found the minimum element. What is the minimum element? 2. Now assign this min equals to a of I. Okay, in which position we got this 2? This is the first position, second position, third position and the fourth position. So when I equals to 4, a of I, that is nothing but a of 4. What is the value in a of 4? That is 2. Now assign this 2 to the minimum. Okay, now assign this 2 to the minimum. So now we have to swap these two values. Now we have to swap 5, it goes to the respective position, fourth position. Now 2 comes to the first position. Okay, here swapping takes place. After finding the minimum value, what we are going here? Swapping takes place. Okay, now the array becomes, now the order becomes 2, 6, 9, 5, 3, 8, 4. Okay, now let us check. We can also this is the minimum. Again compare this minimum with 3. Okay, 2 greater than 3, condition false. 2 greater than 8. Okay, complete the array. 2 greater than 8, 2 greater than 4. At last we found the minimum value, that is the 2 in the total values. Okay, now the array becomes 2, 6, 9, 5, 3, 8, 4. So the minimum value is in the first place. So here what we are doing here? Selecting the minimum element from the data and placing it to the respective position. Now keep aside this. Now let us assume this is the minimum. What is the minimum value? 6. So what is I? Starts from 1 to 7. Okay, now 6 compare with 9. Is it condition true? No. Now 6 compare with 5. Yes, it is true. So what is the minimum here? Now minimum equals to 5. Now the minimum becomes 5. If the condition is true, assign this minimum value. So what is the in which position we got this? In this position, fourth position. Now 5 is assign 5 to the minimum. Okay, now again compare with 5 with 3. Okay, 5 greater than 3. Is the condition true? Yes, condition true. So what is the minimum value? Now minimum value equals to 3. Again compare this 3 with 8. condition false. Now compare 3 with 4, condition false. So it has to place in the second place. So what is the second position value? 6. Now swap 3 with here swapping takes place. So 6 is shifted to the place which is in the 3 and 3 is shifted to the 6. Here swapping takes place. Swapping takes place by using the third variable. Now the array becomes, now the order becomes 2, 3, 9, 5, 6, 8, 4. Okay. Now second minimum position is set. Now next compare, now let us assume this min equals to 9. Now compare 9 with 5. Is 9 greater than 5? No. Okay, so what is the minimum here? Let us assume 9. Okay, now 9 greater than 5. Yes, 9 greater than 5. The condition true. Okay, now what is the minimum value? 5 is the minimum value. Now compare this 5 with 6. 5 greater than 6. The condition false. 5 greater than 8. The condition false. 5 greater than 4. The condition true. So what is the minimum value? 4 is the minimum value. Okay, now swap 9 and the 4. 9 is shifted to the place 4 and 4 is shifted to the 9. Now the array becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. This is the array. Okay. Now again. So now 2, 3, 4 in the respective places. Now compare. Let us assume this the fourth position value. Up to now we have checked with the third position only. Now go to the fourth position. Now min equals to 5. Let us assume. Now compare 5 with the 6. 5 greater than 6, 5 greater than 8, 5 greater than 9. Every time the condition false. Now the 5 is in the correct place. Okay. Now compare 6 with 8. Next 6 with 9. Again the condition false. The 6 in the correct place only. Now compare 8 with 9. So they are in the correct places. Now the array becomes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. This is the array. So in selection sort, here to sort the values in an order, either ascending or descending, if here we are choosing the minimum value, if we choose the maximum value, what is the maximum? Same. But for in the maximum, here we use the condition max less than a of 5. Here a means the array variable. We are checking with the every element which is maximum. We have to compare each and every value in the array. Here we use the array max less than array a of 5. Okay, here we are using the minimum, so the array will be in the ascending order. If we use the max, the array will be in the descending order. This is the selection sort. Thank you.